Angkil and NIPCO reiterate to protect Manipur's integrity on 19th Manipur Integrity and Solidarity Day observance at Lamyanba Sangha. And 20 countries including France, Britain and India sign agreement at United Nations to stop spread of fake news online. Hello and welcome to Back News. You're watching Afternoon News and I'm Premi Thangtum bringing you the top stories. Apunba Manipur Kanba Imalub Amkil and National Identity Protection Council NIPCO jointly observed 19th Manipur Integrity and Solidarity Day at Lamyanba Shanglen in Palace Compound today. Attendees took a pledge to protect the integrity of Manipur at the event, which commemorated the September 28, 2000 incident where over 7 lakh people of both hills and valley took out a mass protest rally chanting various slogans to save the integrity of Manipur. Speaking to media, working chairman of the Events Observation Committee, D.H. Manihar, asserted that the committee is all set to face any challenges threatening the integrity of Manipur. Representatives of various civil society organizations attended the event.
Magi Nagaland manung da whatever akoigi nagagi demand nagagi any towning baba tada akoina madu yellow bagi akoigi hariba akoigi committee sina yetpagi mathau ta de tawrigumasum 2000 da lawgiba September gi adugum laba tarik 25 da lawgiba akoi afam tawrakan da hena kanjan ba akoi wari am lawkan da Manipur chukai ka han bai aroi akoigi standi in the government ga NSN am ga towning bawari saruso Nagaland ki problem di Nagaland manung da loisami Manipur ya holok sunga yaroi Manipur ya holok taragadi adugum wa thawai thaga da mi lag lai haibase masi pithribi gi myam da madi Manipur gi myam da adugi message adu akoina pijabo no ki function si maruina pangtok jamne.
Education Minister Thauchom Radheshyam has urged the present generation to be responsible in preserving the rich culture and traditions handed down by the ancestors. He was speaking at the 68th Foundation Day celebration of Naharul Sahitya Premi Samiti, Imphal at JN Dance Academy today. One-day seminar on Professor Ningthau Khongjam Tombi's life and works were also held on the occasion. Minister Radheshyam urged people to be selfless and contribute for the welfare of the society. He stated that an altruist person continues to live even after death. President of Naharul Sahitya Premi Samiti, Imphal L. Upendra, also attended the event where many resource persons read out papers based on the works and life of late Professor Ningthau Khongjam Tombi.
Lai Guru Singchina Thamirama Parampara, my culture, tradition, chanabi, khang kanba, kathopangamba, minungsi yauba, mibu seva tawungamba, adugumba quality mayam adui parampara mayam durangasi akoisigi masi Manipur si adugumba prithvi gi manungna Bharat Barshada ai culture yam wangba afaba tradition chanaba adugumba picture of maming masak naiba adugumba rajya amane hai.
Manipur Commission for Protection for Child Rights MCPCR along with Manipur State Legal Services Authority SLSA held one-day state-level training program for special juvenile police units and ICPS functionaries at the auditorium of the High Court of Manipur today. Speaking at the event, Social Welfare Minister Nemcha Kipgen stated that children are the pillars of the future society. She stressed the need to prioritize children's rights and to strive for their well-being. Speaking on the sidelines, Judge Justice of the High Court of Manipur, K.H. Nobin, asserted that the Juvenile Justice JJ Act was formed to care and protect children, stating that juvenile offenders are treated differently from adult offenders under the JJ Act. K.H. Nobin stressed the need to fully implement the Act.
All of us have a responsibility to do all that we can do to prepare our children for their life as productive citizens in the future. So let us all nurture and mold our children to make them psychologically, physically and mentally fit to face this world confidently without any form of atrocities towards them. I'm sure today's training program will help sharpen the skill of the participants and make the state a better place for all our children.
Hanadi court amadana dil tawne pulapda. Hojik court amadagi court pulap thokre in the form of JJB. Angangi di dil taw si tongan taw habin la thokre. ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯂꯧꯊꯣꯛꯈꯤꯕ ꯍꯥꯟꯅ ꯀꯣꯔꯠꯇꯨꯗ ꯂꯩꯍꯧꯔꯦꯕ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯑꯅꯧꯕ ꯀꯣꯔꯠ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯀꯣꯔꯠꯁꯤ ꯂꯩꯇꯦꯕ ꯁꯤꯗꯒꯤ ꯍꯧꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯕ꯭ꯂꯦꯝꯁꯦ ꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯕ꯭ꯂꯦꯝꯁꯦ ꯑꯦꯅꯥꯂꯥꯏꯖ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯛ ꯍꯣꯜꯗꯔ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯏꯐꯦꯛꯇꯤꯚ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ
Mao Youth and Student Organization MISO held its annual get-together come Fresher Day celebrations at Indian Medical Association Hall in Lamphilpat today. Deputy Commissioner of the Ministry of Finance, Government of India, Kaiyo Kaina, D.H. Mao, President of Youth and Student Organization, Kamau Fokrelo, and representatives of various women, students and civil society organizations took part in the event. Speaking on the occasion, MISO President Kamau Fokrelo stated that Mao Youth and Student Organization has been playing pivotal roles in facing various issues. He stressed the need to mold youths into efficient and responsible citizens of the society. Culture programs and speeches by resource persons on various topics highlighted the event.
In the absence of the parents, we support them morally, physically, and whatever they need. In terms of funding their institutions, and whenever there's disputes and fights, we try to settle them. And we invite a lot of apex bodies from Senapati District Student Association, Mao Student Union, which is an apex body of Mao Student Union. Pomai, our brethren from different organizations came to support us. We work together in various organizations. We organize in such a way that they will enjoy, as well as they will develop their personality.
A combined team of Moreh Police, Moreh Commando and 12th Assam Rifles has arrested a woman drug peddler in possession of 19,700 wireless yours tablets yesterday. The miscreant is identified as Soni Kongsai, daughter of Kamsothang from Moreh Ward number 9 in Technopal district. According to Impact News sources, the team arrested her during a frisking operation near Kudingthabi checkpost at around 4:30 p.m. She was coming from Moreh in a passenger vehicle and eco van. The contraband drugs worth around 59 lakh rupees in the international market, and the arrested women were handed over to Moreh police station for necessary actions. A combined team of Bishnupur District Commando and Kumbi Police apprehended 2 individuals with 10 kg of opium during a frisking operation at Tanjeng on September 26th. The 2 individuals are 34-year-old Solomon Simte, son of Sepao Simte from Thingbongphai in Sugnu, and 42-year-old Kupkomang Haukip, son of Segozang Haukip from Longpi Kunau in Sugnu. The team, led by AHP Operation KSH Manihar, SDPO Moirang, Sivakanta, IPS and OC of Bishnupur Commando, Lunthang Vaifei, under the overall supervision of SP Bishnupur District Police, Priya Darshani Laishram, seized illicit drugs in 16 small packets hidden inside food packets from them during the operation conducted at Tangjeng at around 6 p.m. Kumbi Police Station has registered a case against the 2 miscreants. Armed Forces ex-servicemen of Manipur, AFESAM, held its 2nd General Body Meeting 2019 in Imphal yesterday. AFESAM was formed on March 9, 2017. 30 ex-servicemen and army widows from 10 districts took part in the meeting. More than 200 Imphal East Police personnel, including Imphal East Police SP, carried out a cleanliness drive at Andro Parking, Palace Compound and on DC Road in Imphal East District today. Speaking to media, Imphal East SP Jogesh Chandra Haubijam stated that the cleanliness drive was carried out under Stop Single-Use Plastic and Swachhta Hi Seva campaigns initiated by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. He said that the cleanliness drive will continue in various parts of Imphal East District till October 2nd.
Imphal East ki district headquarter ki akoibda Sanjen Thong area, Palace Gate area, amasung DC office ki akoiba sing, Andro Parking area sing akoiba si akoi Swachhta Hi Seva gi social service observation ama akoina tawdana lakpani adung ngasi akoi second October bo dum tawdabani adung ngasi akoi sigi mafam sing sa cleanliness drive ama akoibda leiba amoda kai myam se District Police na Luna na thamna damta anoba drive amani masi municipality municipal council ki gari sing aduga akoi leiba police personnel chani mungna leptabi chathari amasung akoi bida leiba sing su mating pangi ado masi akoi dum leptabi tang.
And on that note, it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on India being one among the 20 countries that have signed an agreement at the UN to stop spreading of fake news online. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back to the break, and you're watching Afternoon News. 20 countries, including France, Britain and India, have signed an agreement at the United Nations to stop the spread of fake news online. The signatories, which also included South Africa and Canada, committed to promoting independently reported, diverse and reliable information on the internet under an accord initiated by Reporters Without Borders, RSF, a press freedom watchdog. French Foreign Minister Jean-Yves Le Drian yesterday said the emergence of a global digital space is shaking up the world of information, bringing with it progress as well as risks. He added on the sidelines of the UN General Assembly in New York that misinformation online, especially during election campaigns, undermine trust in democratic institutions. RSF said in a statement that the agreement underlined the responsibility of internet providers to promote trustworthy content and pluralism to escape the current information chaos. Last week, Twitter shut down thousands of accounts worldwide for spreading misinformation, including some artificially implying pro-Saudi messaging as a part of regional propaganda war. Fake accounts from China seeking to sow discord among protesters in Hong Kong were also found. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will share his thoughts with the people across the country and abroad in his Mann Ki Baat program on All India Radio tomorrow at 11 a.m. It will be the 57th episode of the monthly radio program. It will be broadcast on the entire network of AIR and Doordarshan and also on AIR News website www.newsonair.nic.in and News on AIR mobile app. It will also be streamed live on the YouTube channels of the PMO, INB Ministry, AIR and DD News. AIR will broadcast the program in regional languages immediately after the Hindi broadcast. The regional language versions will also be repeated at 8 p.m. Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. AMKIL and NIPCO reiterated to protect Manipur's integrity on 19th Manipur Integrity and Solidarity Day observance at Lamyan Bashangay. And 20 countries, including France, Britain and India, sign agreement at United Nations to stop spread of fake news online.